understanding the liability portion of your auto policy is not as complicated as you might think. In Texas, it is required by law, and in many states it is as well. What that covers is if you cause an accident and you cause bodily injury or property damage to somebody else, is how much your insurance company is going to pay for. In Texas, it is made up by three parts. The state minimum coverage is 30, 60, 25. Well, let's look at those numbers. The first number represents how much your insurance company will pay for bodily injury per person in the other vehicle. Using 30,000, if you cause damage to somebody else and they have to miss work, they have to go to the doctor, they have to have a long-term therapy, they have long-term disability, anything that would cost them money out of pocket falls under your liability if you cause the accident. The minimum coverage in Texas is 30,000. So that's the most your insurance company will pay per person. The second number is 60,000. That's the most the insurance company will pay for everybody in the car, but no more than 30 per person. So as an example, if you hurt somebody and they have to go to the hospital, let's say they have to go by ambulance, that could be $5,000 to $10,000 just to get them to the hospital. That means you've used a third of your policy just to get them there, and then once they're there, they will probably max out or more how much coverage that you have. If they have $50,000, $100,000 worth of injuries, that insurance company or that other party will come after you for the difference. Or if multiple people are hurt and you only have state minimum, the maximum coverage your policy will pay is $60,000 for everybody, so you have to be careful about that too. The third number is property damage. So if you cause damage to their car or a building that somebody owns, your policy will pay for damages. State minimum, again, being $25,000. If you total a $30,000 car, I bet you that other insurance company or that party will come after you for the difference. What if you have a multi-car accident? Maybe you don't total any car, but 2 or 3 cars are damaged and it equals more than $30,000, $35,000, $40,000. Again, you have to be careful as to how much coverage you have on your policy. We recommend higher limits of at least $100,000, $300,000, but there's some in between as well. Know what you're paying for. The difference of dollars that you're paying in premium for higher limits from the state minimum is not very much. Ask questions, know what you're paying for, and know before you have an accident.